Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you how to make this box. It was a highly requested project and I'm sorry for the delay, but here is the tutorial today. So this box looks like a book and it has magnets right here. You can put Velcro if you want and then close it like this. See? This one is a box where you can save your small knickknacks. Like here I save everything for shaker cards. So I have a lot of these packages for pearls, rhinestones, and sequins. See? And you can use these boxes for anything. Today I'm going to show you how to make this box. This one is exactly the same size as the other one. See? But I use some single sheets of papers that I had in my stash and I just decorated with this cutout that was from one of the papers, and I put this lace that is very, very thin so I can save these two like books on the shelf and they have things inside. See? For this one I didn't put anything because I want you to see how it looks. See, it looks like a book, and at the back it's all covered. I covered the sides and it has magnet as well, and then I just cover everything up here. You can put anything, you can decorate the way you want, you can put a picture, you can decorate with anything. And right here is the box where you can save your supplies. You can put dies, you can put metal embellishments, you can save some special laces, jewelry, anything. So we are going to start with a tutorial. For the cover of the box, we are going to make like a cover of a mini album. We are going to put all these pieces. These two are the same and these two are the same. So we are going to glue them on a paper and we're going to leave 1 inch all around. Okay, as you can see, 1 inch all around. Okay, and we are going to put a ruler at the bottom and we are going to glue them straight. So we begin right here with this piece and we leave like about 1 inch on the side, and we are going to glue this one first. It has to be straight with a ruler. Then we leave 1/4 of an inch gap and we are going to glue the next one, okay, leaving 1/4 of an inch like that. Then the next one we leave another 1/4 of an inch. If you want, you can make the marks with pencil, and you're going to glue the other one at 1/4 of an inch, and then the last one. See? So it's going to look like that. Okay, now that I already glued the pieces, as you can see, we are going to fold this one, the excess, and we need a bone folder and mat so we can score right here the lines and fold the paper. Okay, then I'm going to cut the corners and glue them on top. As you can see, this cover is ready, and you need to use the bone folder and make some scoring lines right here too. So you are going to fold this one, okay, just like this. So these are ready to fold, okay, and then you're going to fold it like this, and this is the outside of the box. okay? Put some paper for decoration, okay? And we have to do this one before we put the box. So what I did is I just added a paper and I stopped right here because I want this to look like a book, see? And it's going to be like this. They can look like books in my shelf, see? And I forgot to tell you, but I'm going to use these magnets that I bought from Mali. So I'm going to put this one right here so I can have this flap magnetic with the other one. So it had to be in the first one, okay? In the first folding. I'm going to put this one right here. So right here, two in the center, okay? And now I will continue. Now your cover is ready and we put the paper right here on this side and the box is going to be right here. For the inside box, you cut 1 inch bigger on each side, see? See? So now we are going to make the box in a fast forward. Now that we have the box with a cover in the outside, we're going to cover inside. For that, I cut this piece, which is 1/4 of an inch less than these two measurements. So this one is 6 by 7 3/4, okay? And that will be in the bottom. Then, and for the sides, I cut this one at 7 3/4 by 2 1/2. And I score at 1 3/4 right here. So this one will go on the sides, okay? Then I have two pieces right here, and these are the same, 2 1/2 inches. I score at 1 3/4, okay, on each side. So this one has 6 3/4, and I score 1/2 of an inch here, 1/2 of an inch here. And this one will go first right here, okay? Then we will place this one right here. And this is the last one. See? And it's going to look like this. Now we are going to attach the box right here, okay? And for that, I put tape at the bottom and on one side, okay? So we are going to glue this one by the edge right here. See? And we press this one very well. And now it has that tape right here, so we just have to do this one, okay? And now our box is ready, see? And I already cut 3 pieces to decorate on the sides right here, okay? We are going to put this one right here and this one here. And for this one, because it has magnets right here, we are going to add the magnets here, okay? And we do it like this. And this is the final result. I hope you really like this project and make one for yourself. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.